Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you step-by-step guide how to change your Binance registration information, your phone number or your email. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, go on and press here so that you can visit your Binance profile. After reaching this page guys, press on your profile right here. After pressing your profile guys, press on security right here. Press on security right there. And then guys, you can take a look, you can change many things right here. You can change your password, your email, but there is no phone number, so you have to press right here for more information. Press here for more information and then you can see there is phone number right here, phone number right there. Let's go on and press on this edit icon so that you can change your Binance phone number. Press on the edit icon so that you can change your phone number. Now guys, Binance is going to bring you this information. Are you sure you want to change your phone number? Withdrawals and P2P transactions will be disabled for 24 hours if you go on and press on continue. Now guys, after that, Binance is going to bring you this page whereby you can enter the new phone number you want to replace with the current one. So go on and enter the phone number. After entering the phone number guys, press on get code. Press on get code. So I'm waiting for the SMS code so that I can change my phone number. So right here is the verification code. So guys, go on and copy that code from your SMS. Go on and copy that code from your SMS. After, press on submit. And then guys, you can see phone number updated successfully. Your phone number has been changed. Use your new phone number the next time you log in, as you can see right here. So that's how you can change your phone number on Binance. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.